Everyone thinks the best-selling Rollator walker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which Rollators actually deliver on comfort, safety, and real-world use, not just flashy marketing.
Product number 1, Vosix Z21 Ruby Red. Let's start with the Vosix Z21 in Ruby Red. This one's been flying off the shelves with over 8,000 sold last month, and it's easy to see why. At just under $70, it's positioned as a budget-friendly powerhouse, and honestly, it feels surprisingly solid for the price. If you want a lightweight, all-terrain walker that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It weighs only 19.4 pounds, but supports up to 350 pounds, thanks to thickened aluminum alloy tubing. That's a big deal if you're worried about durability without the heavy weight. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels glide over cracks, grass, and sidewalks, way better than the typical 6-inch ones you see everywhere. Plus, the ergonomic arc seat and 6-inch breathable backrest actually feel comfortable after 10 minutes of sitting, which is more than I can say for most budget models. Now, some people complained about the seat cushion being a bit firm over long periods. Here's the thing though, it's waterproof and 1.6 inches thick, so it's built to last, not just feel plush. If you're using it for short breaks during walks or shopping trips, it's perfectly fine. But if you plan on sitting for 20+ minutes at a time, you might want to add a small cushion. This is perfect for you if you're under 6'3", want something easy to fold and toss in the car, and need reliable support on uneven ground. Skip this one if you're over 330 pounds. Vosix recommends sticking below that limit for safety. For under $70, it's one of the best value Rollators out there.
Product number 2, Drive Medical Blue Steel. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for indoor use in tighter spaces, the Drive Medical Rollator in blue. This one's a classic, with over 6,000 sold recently, and it's built like a tank with its steel frame. If you prioritize stability and don't mind a bit more weight, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7.5-inch smooth rolling casters are quieter and more maneuverable doors than larger wheels, making it ideal for apartments, hallways, or grocery stores. The handbrakes are easy to lock and unlock, even with limited hand strength, and the potted seat folds down into a backrest, great for quick rests. Plus, the underseat pouch is actually spacious enough for a small bag or medication. Now, some people complained about the lack of terrain versatility. Those 7.5-inch wheels struggle on gravel or grass. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly indoors or on paved paths, that's not a problem. But if you take daily walks in the park or uneven sidewalks, you'll feel the difference. Also, at 20 pounds, it's heavier than the Vosix, so lifting it in and out of a car takes more effort. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment, want a no-frills, reliable walker, and don't need off-road capability. Skip this one if you're frequently outdoors on rough terrain or have limited upper body strength. It's a workhorse, not a wanderer.
Product number 3, Homeland Red Rollator. If Drive Medical's smaller wheels bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Homeland Rollator in red. Priced at $79.99 and with 4,000 plus sold, it's a step up in both comfort and build quality. If you want a wider seat, better back support, and still keep all-terrain ability, this one's hard to ignore. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The seat is extra wide and padded with memory foam. Yes, actual memory foam, which makes a huge difference if you have joint pain or sit for more than a few minutes. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels handle curves and gravel like a champ, and the dual braking system gives you full control with 3 modes: free roll, slow down, or full stop. Plus, the reflective strips on the wheels and storage bag are a smart touch for evening walks. Now, some people complained about the weight, 20.4 pounds, and that it's a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing though, it's built to support 350 pounds with reinforced double support bars, so some bulk is expected. If you're lifting it often, that could be an issue, but if you're mostly rolling it and only folding occasionally, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're between 4'7" and 6'6", want maximum comfort, and need something that works both inside and outside. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight or plan to carry it upstairs regularly. For the price, it's one of the most comfortable Rollators available.
Product number 4 was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for taller users, the Vosix Z21 Incline Blue. It's the same model as the Ruby Red, just a different color and slightly updated for 2026, with 3,000 plus sold.
If you liked the first Vosic but want a fresh look or better availability, this is essentially the same great deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It keeps all the strengths, 19.4-pound weight, 8-inch all-terrain wheels, dual height adjustment for users 4'11 to 6'3, and that comfy ergonomic seat. The Klein blue color is also less common, so it stands out if you want something beyond basic red or blue. The 3-second fold still works like a charm, and the reflective strips keep you visible at night. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in cup holder or larger storage, just a small underseat back. Here's the thing though, adding those features would increase the price and weight. At under $70, Vosic kept it simple and functional. If you need more storage, you can always clip on an accessory pouch. This is perfect for you if you want the same reliable performance as the Ruby Red, but prefer a cooler color or can't find the other in stock. Skip this one if you're looking for extra features like a tray or cup holder. It's a near identical twin with a fresh coat of paint.
Product number 5, Drive Medical Red Steel. We have the Drive Medical Rollator in red, the same trusted design as the blue model, just in a bold red finish, with 2,000 plus sold. If you liked the steel frame stability of the blue version, but want a more vibrant look, this is your match. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's built with the same durable alloy steel frame, 7.5-inch smooth wheels, and secure handbrakes. The red color is easier to spot in a crowd or parking lot, which is a small but helpful safety perk. The foldable design and underseat storage remain practical for daily errands, and the weight capacity stays strong at 350 pounds. Now, some people complained about the seat being a bit narrow compared to other models. Here's the thing though, it's still padded and supportive for short rests. If you're larger in build or prefer more seat space, the Homeland might be better, but for average-sized users, it's perfectly adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense walker with a pop of color and don't need off-road wheels. Skip this one if you prioritize seat width or plan to sit for long periods. It's a dependable choice with a little more personality.
So which one should you pick? The Vosic Z21 models win for lightweight, all-terrain use under $70. Homeland takes the crown for comfort and build quality. Drive Medical's steel frames are ideal for indoor stability. If you're on a budget and need versatility, go Vosic. If comfort is king, choose Homeland. And if you want trusted durability, Drive Medical delivers. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.